Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram profile picture not uploading. So go for your Play Store first, search for your Instagram and update your Instagram if it's available here. When you are done, go back, go for your settings. Now go for apps and notification. Click on Instagram, go for it. Go for your storage and cache, clear cache, or you can clear your storage also. Then go back, go for your Instagram, click on profile, go for set in the streamlined option, settings and privacy, scroll down at the bottom, go for help, click on report a problem. You can check your mobile phone on your problematic page and it takes a screenshot automatically uh, by your phone shaking. And in this page you can go for just report problem without shaking, click on include and continue, and you can upload your picture, I mean your screenshot here from here, and explain your problem here, and just go to your send here. So in this three process you can fix your problem, profile picture not uploading problem. Okay, and now you can upload your profile picture from your Instagram. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.